Hey you guys, it's Chris, the founder of Affiliate.Watch. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money with the stock analysis affiliate program. And if you don't know what Affiliate.Watch is, it's my website where you can come and find the best affiliate programs. And at the end of this video, we're also going to be going over some promotional strategies on how you can promote this affiliate program. And if you haven't heard of stockanalysis.com, it's one of the most popular websites and apps that people use to research stocks, and you can use it completely for free. They have over 130,000 stocks and funds on their website that you can research, and they have all the companies in the S&P 500, and you can easily see stock prices, news, financial information. They have an ETF screener, so you can find and you can filter different ETFs you're interested in, and you can also compare ETFs, you can compare stocks. You can also see what's trending, and so you can follow where the market is going, and you can also see recent IPOs. And they also have advanced charting with a bunch of different charting tools, and they have a very popular app with very good ratings on the iOS store as well as the Google Play Store. The platform is used by over 3 million investors every single month. Stockanalysis.com operates on a freemium plan. However, they also have a pro and unlimited plan, and with the pro plan you can unlock unlimited access to all the data. You can have unlimited watch list portfolios, you can export data, you can see all the financial history for many decades, and they have advanced analyst filtering options and much more. And the affiliate program pays very generously. It has an amazing commission structure. It pays 60% for 1 year, and once your earnings get over $2,000, you can get 60% for the lifetime of the customer, which is absolutely amazing. And on their affiliate program page, they have an affiliate calculator, and you can see right here, if you refer 100 users and they buy the pro plan, you can earn $4,200 a year. And if you refer 5,000 users, you'll earn around $213,000 a year, which is absolutely insane. And their cookie duration is very good for an affiliate program. It's 90 days, and you can also get an exclusive discount coupon code for 10% off, which gives people an incentive to sign up with you as an affiliate. And signing up to the affiliate program is super easy. All you need to do is click the link down below and then put in your email right here and go ahead and click join the program. And then it will bring you to this page and you can sign up. All you need to do is put in your email. You don't need to fill out a 10-minute application or anything like that. And once you're approved, this is what your affiliate dashboard will look like. And I got approved very quickly to this affiliate program. And you can set in your payment information. You can get paid out via PayPal or Wise. And if you click resources in your dashboard, you'll get some marketing material that you can use to promote the affiliate program. And if you go to Affiliate.Watch and you go to the stock analysis listing page and you scroll down, you'll see this right here, Ask AI how to promote this program. ChatGPT gave a very in-depth answer, and it went over how you can do SEO review and tutorial articles, how you can do YouTube videos, how you can push it out to your newsletter. And you can see Perplexity, Google AI, and Grok, they all give slightly different ways on how you can promote the affiliate program. So I recommend you guys ask multiple AI models on how you can promote this affiliate program. I think this affiliate program has a lot of potential, and if you want to find more amazing affiliate programs, you can check out Affiliate.Watch. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.